In this section, we're going to talk about how to make your garden more welcoming. When we come back after a hard day at work, there's nothing like walking up to the front steps and seeing your beautiful garden, and it just welcomes you home. There's a lot of different features of your garden that make it welcoming. And in this section, we're going to talk about it when it comes down to water features, bird baths, garden art, and different plants and trees. There are many things that you can do to make your garden more welcoming, and they're very simple. Whether it's a bell or a wind chime, sound has a lot to do with your garden and making it feel approachable. People remember your garden when they've been there because they've seen the sights, the lights, the sounds, and all of that goes into your memory. So when you make a garden more welcoming, remember all of your memory senses, your sight, your smell, your hearing, and that alone will make your garden more welcoming. In the first segment, we'll talk about water features.